how to find archived emails on gmail.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So let's first open gmail.com, and we're opening it now. And then let's go and archive some emails. Let's archive these emails and click on archive from here. Now, as you can see, we can't see them in the inbox now. Now we can see the emails in the inbox again. But in order to see them again, we can click and go to the main menu from here if it's not already open, and here on the left panel, go to more. As you can see, there is no an archive label or an archived folder. This is so surprising in Gmail, but you have to just calm down. All you gotta do is remember each email title, because you'll need it, and then go to all mail. As you can see, here are the archived emails. But just as I said, you need to remember them, or you need to remember the archived emails titles, because they're gonna be in all these mess. As you can see, they are not titled inbox. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.